Okay, so for the first part of the demo, I'm going to actually install Nexus repository on my local machine so that we could actually open it up and do things. So I'm going to click into the repository manager and downloads. So I see here that they offer a OSX, Windows, and Unix and Linux distributions. They also you can also download the Docker image and install via Docker, but I'm going to install via distribution. So I already downloaded the archive for Mac, and I put it into a folder just in my home directory. And let's see. So I have it here as Nexus OSS, and then I have the tar file here. So let's follow what the next steps are. So next up in installation, I see that there's a requirement for Java runtime, which I do have installed, but I will check just to ensure. Yes, I have Java runtime installed, so this shouldn't be a problem. But if you didn't have it, they would give you the command that you could just install this. Okay, so let's look at the installation methods. So again, we have the choice between installing and running with the distribution archive, or you can install via Docker. In this case, I'm going to use the archive. And it says that for Windows, I should extract using an archive tool like 7-zip. Okay, on OSX or Linux, can be extracted with the command tar xbzf. Okay, so let's do. Let's unpack it. Let's open up the terminal and we'll go to that project. So let's see. Okay, so here I have the file. I think, can I just run this unpack command? I need the name of the file, of course. So let's see. Oops. No, we did not want to do that. Okay. Copy. Full path. What's this? Okay, so what's the problem here? Maybe it doesn't like that there's a space in the name. Let's try renaming it. Okay, I see the name change took. Let's try one more time. There we go. I'll unzip it. Okay, I'm assuming we could get rid of the zip file. Delete that. And then I see here that we have two folders that came from that. So we have this Nexus folder. And then we have Sonatype work, and that has a bunch of folders. I'm sure we'll learn what that is. Okay, so we unzip them. To start, we just navigate to the bin folder, and then we run the application. So let's again open up the terminal. Let's see, bin, no. And then, okay, so we're in the bin folder. Let's just see what's there. Okay, and then we're actually gonna run the application. Okay, so while that runs, we could finish reading this. So it is running. In order to shut it down, we just press Control-C, that's common. Okay, so let's see if this is, okay, it's finished running. So I believe this just runs on the local host. Actually don't see that here. Accessing the user interface, that's what we want. Okay, so once the repository is started, you can access it via localhost. Let's just pull this up. Wow, it worked. Everything looks like it's here. Okay, and then in the next, so in this video, we went through we downloaded the tar file, we unpacked it, we installed Nexus, and we got it up and running and launched the user interface. So in the next video, we'll talk a little bit more about the user interface itself. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.